cool.
I went to the metal shop and had these tunnel stiffeners made up. I want to put them on the tunnel. I'm gonna have a lot of weight back there. I got a tunnel bag, I got a jerry can, and I got my snowboard rack. This will help stiffen it up. We'll rivet it on, and we'll install the rest. So the tunnel stiffeners just go simply on right here. I'll rivet them on. But first, I want to remove these stickers and see if I can put them on top of the tunnel stiffener. For that, I got this heat gun. We'll turn her on. So just heat up the stickers and peel it off. Now that I put the stickers on both sides, we can start fastening them on. For that, I have my trusty rivet gun and a rivet. We'll drill the hole and put in the rivets. I'm gonna put rivets in every 8 to 10 inches. Before I do that, is apply a bead of silicone to the back. That's just gonna give it extra little bonding. And the silicone is flexible for all the bouncing around. All right, seat it where I want it. Start drilling. Grab our rivet, put it in the rivet gun, simply squeeze until the rivet breaks. Continue till done.
Now that both sides are riveted on, we can start putting on our accessories.
So, let's drill some holes. Because this is a BCA pack, I did have to purchase these latches, which will make it Skidoo compatible. And I'm gonna drill a hole through the side of the bag here and attach it. And a little bit of Loctite. I'm double nutting them and snugging them up just to help ensure it not coming loose on the trail. Now that we've got the bag on, I'm going to install the snowboard rack. And I installed the bag first because the jerry can is a little bit smaller. So the bag fits, and the jerry can is going to fit. Now that I got it where I want it, I'll mark my hole with a Sharpie and drill them out. Now that I have my snowboard rack on, so now I have the option of my jerry can, my tunnel bag, and my snowboard rack, or either or. Alright, next thing to do is get this thing on the hill.